Hello everyone, welcome to Autosurveil GPS. My name is Leslie and today I'll be taking you through the tracking process on our web monitoring platform. Let's get right into the video. In this tutorial, I'll be covering the basic features you need to get started. We'll be looking at real-time or live tracking, trip playback, and engine shutdown. To get started, all you need to do is open up your favorite browser and search for Autosurveil in Google. Now, on the search results page, you look for the link to our website, autosurveil.com, and click on it. You'll be redirected to the homepage. You can see that the monitoring platform is available on the web, which is the tutorial I'll be covering today. It's also available on Google Play and the App Store for the mobile application. The WhatsApp button here is our chat support channel. You can send us a message if you need any assistance or clarification, and we'll be ready to help you. At the time of recording, we have 5% off all installations. Please do well to get this deal. You can also look out for occasional promotional messages on our site. So I'm clicking the login button, which opens up in a new tab for the monitoring platform on the web. You'll be required to enter your username and password, which was given to you during installation. Check the Remember Me box to stay signed in and click Login. Once you successfully log into the monitoring platform, you'll be directed by default to the monitor screen. This is where I am right now. You can see on the left-hand side of the screen, the monitor icon has been selected. On top of that, we have the user profile icon where you can modify your password and then view other information associated with your account. It's recommended that the first time you log into the application, you change your password as a security precaution. This is because the one given to you during your GPS tracker installation is a default one. So to do that, you click on Modify Password. It opens up here. Here you enter the old password, you enter your new desired password, you confirm it, and you click Save. As per the agenda, I'll be covering live tracking or real-time tracking, trip playback, and engine shutdown and restore. So on the monitor screen here, you have all your vehicles on the My Device side panel. So this gives you an overview of your vehicles at a glance so you can select them and see their position on the map. I also like to explain the color codes here. When your vehicle is not moving, which means it's static, it will show up as blue. When it's moving, it will show up as green. So once you select a vehicle, a dialog box opens up on the map, which gives you the following information. You have your vehicle name, you have the status, which tells you whether it's static or moving. Here you have the device, which is the external power. Now it's on. This is basically your battery in your vehicle is connected. If it should be removed or disconnected, it will show up as off. Here you have the engine status, which is off currently, and you can see the time. Here you have the battery, which is 100%. This is the GPS tracker battery. You have the IMEI number for the GPS tracker, and you have the coordinates for your vehicle. Once you want to track your vehicle, you select the track icon here, and it opens up in a new tab. You have the road which it is on, and then you can zoom in to view its position. So here you have the exact position of your vehicle and you have tracked it. Let me do it for another vehicle as well. So you selected a similar process. You select the track icon, it opens up in a new tab. And once it's moving, you have a live position update every 10 seconds. So once you zoom in, you can see where it is. And you can see it moving in real time. So that's it for tracking. The next feature I'm covering is the playback feature. So the playback feature allows you to view the past trips of your vehicle. It's recorded in the monitoring application, and it's especially useful if you have an Uber or a delivery business and you like to view the past activities of your vehicle from the monitoring platform. So to do that, select the playback icon. It opens up in a new tab. Here at the top, from the device section, you simply select the vehicle you'd like to view your playback history of. You can manually select the start time and the end time. Alternatively, you can come to the option button here, select the duration, and then it automatically starts to play. So I selected yesterday for the Sonic bike, and I can see all the stops and starts in the interface here on the map interface. So basically, you can see that the playback is giving me minute by minute updates, but it moves quite fast. So I'm going to reduce the speed, which is going to make it easier to see. And I can zoom in and I can follow the progress of the vehicle. You can also get more information and a summary over here by clicking the trip icon. So the trip state gives you the information of whether your vehicle was moving at the time or it had been parked. So here I can see the vehicle was driving. You can see the start time and the end time for each trip state. You have the mileage that was covered, the duration for each trip state, the start location, and the end location, which open up in Google Maps. So that's it for trip playback. It's very simple. Kindly note that there is a comprehensive summary in the report section as well. So that gives you even more information about your trip playback and can be exported for analysis. The next feature I'll cover is the engine shutdown feature. This is useful if your car has been hijacked or stolen and you like to stop or immobilize the vehicle. To begin, you select the command icon here and it opens up in a small window. So from the command list, you select the stop engine command, you enter your valid password, and you send this command to your GPS tracker. This will stop your engine immediately. In order for your vehicle to move again, you need to restore your engine. So once you select that, enter your valid password and you send this command to the GPS tracker. The engine will be restored and your vehicle can move again. Finally, if you should be out of your vehicle for whatever reason and would like to get directions to it, on the monitor screen, you select the vehicle and then on the dialog box, you select the coordinates. This is a link that opens up in a new tab in Google Maps. You select the directions, enter your starting point. Google automatically computes the best route from your starting point to that of your vehicle. Follow these directions and you'll get there. That's it for this video. I hope it was informative enough to get you started. If you have any questions or clarifications, please leave a comment and I'll do well to reply. Kindly like and subscribe to this channel for updates and upcoming training videos. Thanks for watching.